coming deliver hollow block 500 hollow block. This garahe place. A garahe place without flooring. Next. First is flooring inside. Then you see the powder room, and the other side is a 2 window. The fire room is receive the hollow block. Yan. This is the pintuan, main door. Yeah, main door. The hollow blocks is 2 dalawang patas because mirror other side, side by side. Pirma mo na. Left side. Yan. Kasi pag nasisipag na ano ng araw, baka hindi kita. Baka malabo. Hindi na. Nakatumpa. Kita rin naman niya rito eh. Kaso ang hirap lang kasi magpadala ng download.